Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete user now able to update their own profile, right? How to do this work, I hope it's very much clear to you. Now friend, in this video, I want to complete our logout functionality. So that will be very easy. Now let's do that work. For doing this, we have to find out a specific this file location, that is a logout. If you now go to our user dashboard page and to the user dashboard, here you can see that is our menu, right? So now here I want to create another new route. Simple work. I want to create another new route. I hope at that point it's very easy to use. I create that route, and route I name it as user logout. Okay, now this type of one of the route we have to create. Now go to our web route, into the web route area here. Right now better I copy it, and after that I want to paste it. So now that will be our another one. Our route name will be as a user logout. I copy it. Now that will be as a user logout. I want to update as a user and then the logout. Okay, now in our user controller I want to create another new method as a user logout. Okay, that will be our user logout, and to create this type of one of the method in our user controller. Now go to our user controller here. After that will be as the same as a public function, and then our method name will be as a user logout. Now I want to better make it as an AND method. So that is our default one. Everything is ready made. If you go to our controller auth, and that is authenticated session controller here. Before I have already discussed about that things with you, you can see that is our auth guard as a web. It will be logout. The system will be automatically will be do everything. Better I want to copy everything from here, and now in our user controller, after that I want to paste it. Okay, so now that is our user logout, and also from here if you want to pass some of the status, you can also pass it. Then that will be the same, only I want to pass one of the with some of the information. Here I paste it. Now with I want to use that as a status. The status will be as user logout successfully, and make it as a user logout successfully. Okay, now this type of one of the message that should be displayed, and it should be displayed in our which page. It will be redirect to our logging page, right? So I have already created one of the logging page. Now if you also want to update, we have to do that is our web, and also here make that sure we have to run add that our request and then dollar request. Also here I want to update as a request and dollar request. Great. Now we have to update that status that I have already done in our user dashboard. That will be just like the same. I copy it, and now if you go to our logging page, I have already created that logging in our that will be in our font int. Into the font int, if you go to that body, here I have already done the same things in our auth, and that is our logging page, right? So that is our logging area. After that form area, I want to display it. This type of the functionality, that is all be session status here when everything will be done. Then I pass that our status will be as a user logout successful. It will be returned direct to our logging page. Now that is our logging page area. In from to the session, it will be get that status, and by this alert success, it will be displayed. Okay, that's all. Now let's check this out. Click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to refresh it. Now I'm already logged in, right? So right now I'm already logged in, and now from to this position I want to update. That means I want to log out. Click as a logout. Yeah, you can see you are successfully logged out. It's now returned direct to a logging page, and also is display our message as a user logout successfully. Great. Now from here, if you're logging with another user as a user, and I make it a 111. Now click as a login. Now yes, successfully redirected to our dashboard page, and you can see that is our another user. For that user I didn't upload any images. Now if you want to update it, I updated the phone number, I updated some of the photo. Like for this one I want to use this one. Now click as a save changes. Yeah, you can see it's now successfully updated as a profile updated successful. Right now I'm logging with the user. Great. And now from here, if you log out, successfully log out. Great. So here friend, also we successfully done our logout functionality. In our next video, I want to complete our another portion for the change password. If this user want to change their password, how to change it. So that will be very easy, because in our admin I have already discussed about the same things, right? So now that will be very easy. I want to complete the change password for the user. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.